Everyone on planet Earth, all the people you have seen today, all the people you have ever met, everyone in history, billions of human beings. We are all connected and always have been by our DNA. Our genetic code tells the story of our common origin. Homo sapiens emerged about 300,000 years ago, and the early human populations began to disperse across continents and give birth to great civilizations along the DNA migration routes. The Great Steppe of Eurasia was one of those significant places in world history, homeland to numerous ancient cultures whose inventions influenced early global development. The historical movements of people, ideas, and technologies shaped our modern world. Traces of our ancestors' genetic and cultural spirit can still be found in our DNA. Our roots have brought us together. Let us remember that we are all related. Welcome to the land of the Great Steppe. Welcome to Kazakhstan.
And the mall near the former capital of the Kazakhstan Pavilion. The exhibition reveals the ceremonial burial site of the young ruler from the tribe of the Kazakhstan. The tribe rose to Eurasia's death from the 8th to the 1st century before the common era. They developed advanced powerful technique, as you can see, and their distinctive style called the animal style, where animals played a central part of their worldview. For example, here you may see the snow leopard. That symbolizes authority and the power. You may see that on the both sides of his head, it means he was very respected by the tribe. Also, he was called like his part armor with 4,000 golden stripes. That indicates his social political status to be the leader or the warrior. The golden man later became a symbol of our independence and the symbol of the sovereign Kazakhstan. On this floor, you may learn about the Kazakhstan map that contains historically significant places. Each of them has numbers by which you can read about them more, and also some circles are animated into the video. For example, here you may see the city called the Otra, one of the oldest cities in the Asia. It was settled in the 8th century, and it was a trade center of arts and crafts. And if you would like to explore more, you can stay here, or also you're welcome to proceed to the next zone. It's the cultural heritage. Yes, welcome. Hello, please proceed, come closer. So, here you can see the example of the art of contemplating of the great civilizations and transferring sacred meanings to the ornaments. The Novans created using communication language in an abstract form. Here you can see about the yurt. So you can come closer, please proceed, don't stay over here. So the yurt is a mobile architectural structure invented by the Novans, and structure of three wooden elements. The first one is called kerege at the base, ulok, the both structures. And the last one is called shadrak, it's the roof of the yurt. You also can look at the top of our zone. So we are standing under the shadrak. It symbolizes the light connected with the sun, the moon, and the stars. So the nomads use the yurt as a practical accommodation. So here we can build the yurt by ourselves in chapter game. So you can try if you want to build. Yeah, I will show you. So you will start from here, yes? Okay. Then we build the door. Yes, right. Start. Now you build the shadrak, is the roof. Now we have to connect the base and the roof with wood. Okay. Now we have to cover the yurt with felt fabric. The first one. Okay. So we cover with felt, and the last one is roof cover. Okay. And it provides protection from the cold and heat. So, congratulations, you have built a traditional Kazakh yurt. Next one. You are right? Here on the screen, yeah, it has traditional clothes too. Here you can see about the nomadic worldview, about the nomadic calendar. So, the early belief system, it was paganism, it's an ancient religion, and according to this religion, people should live a life in a balance with the universe. And it was the sky god who created the world and gave the birth to the humans. So, thank you very much for attention. You can enjoy here, take pictures, or proceed to
step to the forest, mountains, deserts, wetlands, seashore. You can see our desert grass and Jusan grass, which is a typical grasses for our steppes. On the short videos, you can see our steppe view. Here we have a piece of saxawood tree. It's a small tree which grows in the deserts and steppes. And one function of this tree is to store water inside. So when our ancestors do not cross the desert, they will secure that there will be water. Please come closer, yes. This is tulips. Tulips play a key role in breaking of Kazakhstan, and there is a hypothesis that they was originated in my country, Kazakhstan. Here you can see the short videos about tulips cousins. This is our steppe wall, and you can try it.
demands that we rethink the challenges ahead of us. How we imagine our future today is the key to creating a better tomorrow. A future where digital and physical worlds coexist. What do we envision about tomorrow? What kind of life awaits us? Our future will depend on the successful interaction between man and machine, between human intelligence and AI. Artificial intelligence has taken a giant step forward, which gives us hope that this technology can help solve some of humanity's greatest challenges. We must keep dreaming of new horizons with unlimited possibilities, even when we face unknown situations. And we don't know what will be next. But hand in hand, we can overcome all obstacles. Because every challenge brings new possibilities. We wonder, is it possible to create a sustainable future? An ideal relationship between mankind and new technology. Could we harness the potential of artificial intelligence to improve the lives of people around the world and achieve a harmonious symbiosis between mankind and planet Earth? This beautiful and precious planet, our home, a unique sanctuary of life in the vastness of space. Moving into a digital tomorrow, we aspire to protect the ecosystem of our ancestors with the tools of the future. There will be a new generation of countries with the aim to find new approaches to the world. part of this global